Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So today video I'm talking about the 2030 price of the Cardano in the market. Absolutely, that's a really interesting question of all holders. And personally, a lot of people message me about Cardano that what will be the price of Cardano in 2030, my friends. So here I found the 2030 price of the Cardano on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of the previous changes occurs in the Cardano area, my friends. So this price is dedicated, my friends. Let me show you, but before starting this video, before showing more about Cardano, I request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Thanks for subscribing our channel. Let me show you the Cardano price in 2029 and 2030 and 2031 and 2032. So friends, guys, you can see here the 2029 price of the Cardano. That is the price of 2029 in the mid-year. In the mid of 2029, the price of Cardano will be 3.78 USD dollar. And in the year end ending price of the I mean that in the beginning of 2030, the price of the Cardano will be 3.98 USD dollar. 3.98 USD dollar, my friends. So one thing is clear from these price prediction that my friends, if you now you can see the currently price of the Cardano is 1.31 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Cardano. So my friends, guys, if you hold Cardano for 10 years, for 15 years, so my friends, after 10-15 years, Cardano will make you billionaire, my friends. You can see, my friends, the price increase, never decrease, my friends. Only and only increase, my friends. And now let me show you 2030 price of the Cardano in a mid-year. 4.18 USD dollar is the currently the 2030 mid-year price. And now the ending of 2030, the price of Cardano will be 4.38 USD dollar. Same like that, the 2031 price is 4.58 USD dollar, and same like here, in the end of 2031, the price of Cardano will be 4.78. Now let me show you more about the Cardano. Here you can see 2032 price 4.98, and you can see, my friends, Cardano price will be 5 USD dollar in the end of 2032, my friends. So from these all updates, that's clear that Cardano only give you profit. That is why I'm telling you that please invest for a long time in a Cardano area. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.